Just stop talking when it's time for us to come in.
I'm already recording.
Just go.
All right, welcome to the Elite Eight of Astronomy Madness. We are counting it down to the final 4 teams that are left. So first, for our extended intro here, I just want to talk a little bit about our top 10 on the leaderboard. I want to give a few shout outs here. So in first place right now, we've got Miss Stevie H. She's got 73 points, and she's got the Plague or the Black Death taking it all. So does Aaron S. And then alumni, my man, Cody Kelly. Top 3 all have the Plague or Black Death. Then coming in fourth right now with 58 points, we got Jeremy C., who's got Frank's Red Hot winning it all. Miss Jade S. has the defeated Heinz Ketchup. She's in 5th place. Then we've got Mr. Stoudenauer at 57 points with the Plague. We've got Corey in 7th place with Mayonnaise, still alive as a 4 seed. And we've got my man Mike Treese, alumni, in 8th place with the Black Death. Alumni Devin McNelly, very cool. He is in 9th place with Frank's Red Hot Win It All. And then Talon M from class is in 10th place at 56 points with the Hubble Space Telescope. So those are our top 10 as we enter the final 4 here. So we got our ladies in the back. We got Cammie, we got Lydia, we got Violet. We just had birthday season here. They're now 12, 9, and 6. And they are going to be helping us out with possibly a special cameo from Mrs. Krug as well. So let's get started here. Let's get the Elite 8 down to the final 4. Ladies, take your places. Cammie and Violet, back at the big board. We're going to be drawing all 4 games today. Cammie, let's go blue, green, red, black. Just tell us what our matchups are and speak loudly here.
Okay, for blue, we have 1 seed Hubble Space Telescope with a -1.
Simmer down back there.
And we have a 2 seed Keck at Mauna Kea with a +1. Am I doing all of them?
Yeah, hit the green up, then the red, then the black.
We have Alexander the Great at 4 seed. And we have Vladimir Taylor with a 3 seed. And we have Mayonnaise, a 4 seed with a +1. And Frank's Red Hot at 2 seed with a -1. And then we have the Plague, a 1 seed with a -1, and we have Polio, a 6 seed with a +1.
All right. Thank you, Cammie and Violet.
Thank you.
All right, Lydia, are we ready to make 4 key picks today? All right. Now, none for the Krug family is as key as our first region, the observatories region. We've got Hubble Space Telescope, a 1 seed, but it's down a chip due to the research bonus. Then we've got Keck at Mauna Kea, a 2 seed. This is our only 1-2 matchup the whole time with a +1. Now, Mrs. Krug, there she is, has done really, really well. Steph, how many of the Elite 8 do you have left?
6.
She's got 6 of the 8, which is insane. Mr. Krug, moi, only has 1 of the Elite 8, but I've got Keck, the 2 seed, winning the whole thing. So even though my bracket is hot garbage right now, I still got a chance if Keck wins this all. So either way, one of us is not going to be. Oh, I didn't say that. She's got Hubble. So either way, one of us is going to be sleeping on the couch tonight. Lydia, this is up to you. So we're going to need, this is a unique one. We're going to need 1 blue chip for Hubble, even though it's the favor, the higher seed. But due to the research bonus, Keck, the underdog, is actually getting 2 pink chips. So there's only going to be.
Not only that much chips, they're 1 and 2.
Oh, Lydia, we explained this. These are the rules. It's always the opposite of the seed number. Okay. So for the first time, underdog is favored. Keck has 2 chips, 66% chance. Hubble has 1 chip, 33% chance. Can you verify? Flip them over. Make sure it's on the up and up. I don't know what deals you guys have on the side. All right, it's verified. It's legit. All right.
Oh, man.
Both of our brackets hang in the balance here. Totally hang in the balance. Now, Lydia, you're going to pick out the chip without showing it to mommy or I. You're just going to show it to the camera. Then one way or the other, we're going to have some type of celebration.
You make most of your food.
All
You
right.
can't. Don't put more
You
pressure
tell her,
on me
you tell
than
her,
it
Lydia.
already
You tell her.
is.
Top of the bucket, baby. Very first chip you touch. I can't even look. 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 Ah! Oh, Lydia, that was a huge Oh, let's get this going. Oh, round of applause for Mommy. Mommy, you had a great bracket there. You still have a lot of your teams live, but Keck 2 seed is moving on. Cammy, Keck is moving on. It's too strong right now. Too strong. Lydia, yes. All right.
I'm only 9 years old.
Ooh, man, heart is fluttering. Okay, let's go down to the lower right region here. We have got Vlad the Impaler. My man, Mr. Geis, has Vlad moving on as a 3 seed. It is up against 4th seeded Alexander the Great. So, Lydia, we're going to need 4 blue chips for Vlad the Favor. Character of Dracula was based off of that terrible ruler. He would put the heads of his enemies on wooden pikes.
Ew.
Then we need 3 pink chips for Alexander the Great. All right, so we've got Vlad at a slight advantage. He has a 57% chance at moving on. Alexander the Great has a 43% chance at moving on. All right, we're going, I see, bottom of the bucket. And we got Vlad the Impaler moving on as a 3 seed. That's going to make my buddy, Mr. Geis, very, very happy. And that makes Mrs. Krug happy. You had him in the Final Four, babe? Oh, you didn't have either of those. That's the one that didn't matter for you. All right. Cammy back at the big board. We got Vlad moving on there as a 3 seed. All right. Next up, we're at the red region. Violet, can you point to the red region there so our viewers at home can see which region is that? There you go. Thank you, miss. All right. So we have got 2nd seeded Frank's Red Hot, but it's down a chip. 4th seeded Mayonnaise, it's up a chip. So, Lydia, this is going to be even odds, 3 versus 3. But our blue chips are going to represent Frank's. Our pink chips are going to represent Mayonnaise. 3 of each, please.
Okay, dude.
Cammy, what are you feeling for this matchup back at the big board?
Mayonnaise.
You feel Mayonnaise with the upset. Is that who you have there, Steph?
I mean, it's not really an upset.
You're right. So, Cammy, since they both have 3 chips, what are their percentage chances of winning? All right, just making sure. All right. Third pick, Lydia, left-hand side. Do it, baby. Oh! The tough day for Mrs. Krug continues. I cannot believe it. Even with the -1,
Sorry.
Frank's Red Hot is moving on. That's going to be a battle of 2 seeds, my friend. That's going to be Keck versus Frank's for the national championship. And Frank's is going to be down 1 chip there. So Keck, once again, is going to be an advantage. Wow. Wow. All right. Now the matchup that most of your brackets are hinging on right here. Top-seeded Plague against 6-seeded Polio. A record 27 people have the Plague win it all. Will this be the one time that Mrs. Krug gets a little redemption? Do you have Polio going the whole way to the championship? That is visionary. Okay. Lydia, we are going to need 5 blue chips for the Plague because it's down a chip, and 2 pink chips for Polio because it's up a chip. So Plague, 71% chance of moving on. Polio, 29% chance at pulling this. I would feel some pressure too. A lot of people's brackets are hinging on this. Tammy, who are you guys feeling for this one? Oh, Polio with the upset. All right, Lydia, right-hand side. What?
Pressurous.
Okay. Show that chip to the camera, baby. And we got... what? The Black Death goes down. You saw it here first. You saw it. It's right there. Polio with the huge bracket busted upset. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all we have for today for Astronomy Madness. Cammy, could you read off our final 4, please? Who we got?
We have the 2-seed Keck Monarchia.
Yep.
We have the 2-seed Frank's Red Hot with the -1.
Yep.
And then we have the 6-seed Polio.
Yep.
And we have Vlad the Impaler with 3-seed.
All right. So for Cammy, Lydia, Violet, and Mrs. Krug, this is Mr. Krug. Buckle up. The final 4 is going to be insane. buffering. It just kills the moment. I had it all set up, and then we buffer. There we go.
No countdown.